Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Today, they can show me video. Remember to subscribe. The best one say be fried chicken. Over brandy with onion, garlic, ginger, anise, rosemary. Now they go with chicken. Remember the kind of share video na ma. What the bay leaf account. What the chicken season. All pepper season. Account. Salt to taste. One mixing it together. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. What just you for 30 minutes? After 30 minutes, I could see so annoa. Oh, I know no say ni na den ebe bi ye. I am ready now. What share? No, I got you a medium hot oil mo. We a fresh rosemary na me de chi oil ni mo. Na we yi unam na ye den atomo. Tem bia wo ho so an wadane said the enhye. Na ni nyina so ye den ebebe mpe. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Aha no I am ready now I serve it. Me yewe na me taste it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our fried chicken wings. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.